Hey guys, and welcome to Cerebral Palsy Daily. I'm Dustin.
And I'm Steve.
We really hope you enjoy our videos. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Cerebral Palsy Daily. Today I'm going to try to open the microwave, close it, and turn it on. Gotta open. Oh, and I'm also going to try to put this plate in. Open. His door will say. I gotta pick the plate up. It's a good thing there ain't no food on it. I would have dumped all the food out. Dang it! Close. Dang it!
Third time's the charm.
I can't get that back in there far enough. I'll try one more time. Well, okay. Now I gotta shut it. Oops, my headrest is hitting. And it's come back. When I tried this off camera, this was the hardest part. Although I didn't try putting the plate in on camera. Oh, come on. Please. Got it! Well, that's all I can say about that. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I forgot to do the trying to start the microwave part, so here we go. Seems I don't have enough strength to push the buttons for some weird reason. Oh, got one. I got it. Look at that.
Don't
Forget
to
like
and
subscribe.
yeah.
Yeah.